It's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again. Today we're gonna do how to do a turkey brine with fruit. I got oranges, apples, lemons, onions, and garlic. So first I'm gonna put my vegetable broth in there. We're gonna add 1 cup of sugar, just regular sugar. 1 cup of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna come on and fruit tray, garlic and everything. One-fourth cup of salt. Salt's gonna really help that meat with that flavor. 1 cup of Tony's Creole. Now we're just gonna bring it to a slight boil to everything get dissolved up. Into a nice boil. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut it off. You want to wait for it to cool before you put the turkey inside. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just put a bag of ice in here to get it to cool off quick. Stay tuned. Putting that bird on in there, bro. Look at that. Just like that. There go the money. So I let my turkey brine for 24 hours. Let's see what we got there. Look at that apple floating around right there. Let's go ahead and, so make sure once you take it out that brine, you want to wash it off before however you go cook it. Look at that nice color it got to it though. But all that salt intake gonna make them juices stay inside the turkey. I already washed it really good with lemon and vinegar, but you still want to come through and, you know, and wash it off again. Okay, that's it. That sums it up for how to brine my turkey. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you like, comment. Hey, let me know some ideas to try with your turkey. Peace out.